Hi, my name is Julia Buckley. I'm a freshman Mechie, and I'm part of the business subsystem as well as a designer for the Drivetrain system. The final drive ratio is important because it determines the amount of times the wheels turn based on how often the engine does. So I looked at the current final drive ratio that we have and also ran a bunch of simulations on different drive ratios that we could test out to see how that would affect our competition score. The outcome was that if we decreased our final drive ratio, we could score about 20 extra points in competition.
Motorsports is also like a family because I've met a lot of different upperclassmen who've kind of taken me under their wing and taught me different things about SolidWorks, design, and also manufacturing. So it's really nice to, especially as a freshman, to have a community of people who can help me and also be a friend. I've met a lot of inspiring people, and I can't wait to see what the next 4 years have in store for us.